New York girl, them a mad over way. New York girl, them a mad over way. New York girl, them a mad over way. New York girl, them a mad over way.
Smoking an Escobano, guzzle my second bottle. Hope I don't catch a homo. Grossing that net simultaneously, making me climb higher. Heinous crimes behind me. Search but can't find me. Fuck sadness. Had this been you having this lavish habitual happiness at me, you wouldn't look back. But you would have sex on condominium roof decks. So anyone move next, I hit you with 2 texts. Rock the Roberto Cavalli, no show, no convertible. Mozzie, my Colombiana, mommy riding beside me. Every tap means something. That's my word on my body. I have to lean something with that Mossberg shotty. My niggas is ignorant, put lead in your pigment. Just cause y'all was mad at all the years I was getting it. And 9-7 to 6, 9-8 to Bentley. Now it's the Ghost Phantom, and y'all can't stand them but.
Nej. Vad ska vi göra?
Åka moppe.
Bra, då kör vi.
Yeah, army jacket swag, army jacket green and black with a square top pocket that snaps. Where the gas at? Past that, not you. You hold cracks in your ass crack. I never did that. My socks where my stash was at. Yo, I used to listen to that Red Alert and Rap Attack. I fell in love with all that poetry. I mastered that. Cut school with Preem Team and Fat Cat Pizzazz. Future not crystal clear yet. Back a rat, now I'm the one who rapping Queens. Way beyond your wildest dreams. Bottles on bottles with sparklers surround my team. That long cash get the baddest bitches out they G's. 20 years in this game, looking 17. I don't lean, no codeine, promethazine. I just blow green, pick which bitch to bless the king. Although he's on to another chapter. Heavy D gave this beat to Salam for me to rap to. Yeah, New York is like an island, a big Rikers Island, the Cosby out wildin'. All I hear is sirens, it's all about surviving. Same old 2-step, try to stay alive with. They be out robbing, I've been out rhyming. Since born knowledge, like Prophet Muhammad say, the ink from a scholar worth more than the blood of a martyr. So I'ma keep it on till I see $1 billion. Keep your free
in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Woo. Everybody just have a good time. Party rock is in the house tonight. Oh. Everybody just have a good time. I can feel this tonight. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Yeah. We just wanna see you shake that.
In the club, party rock. Looking for your girl, she on my jock. Non-stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. With a drink, I got to know. Top jeans tattoo, cause I'm rock and raw. Half black, half white, diamond now. Gang of money, open up. Yeah.
Is this thing on? Word.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out.
Hey, let me get a lighter,
That's how it's
please.
supposed to be.
Cause you know I'm high as fuck and I forgot one. Keep that in there. So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking grade A.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be.
Horizon, sunrise in waves, shaking hands we say, what pictures, board shorts, this is living man. Let the sun sizzle our backs as a paddle out the back, surrounded by good company. The sea sets us free. Escape from the rat race. This is my space. No need to log in. What we've got is melee mind states. Forever dancing on the waves. Acrobatic board display. Offshore breeze, warm degrees. The perfect day. We're gonna ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom. Freedom. Ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom. Freedom. The tide is coming in. That's when the session ends. Crew will chill up Bobby Hill. This is living, man. Bragging about that left you got that no one saw or just forgot. Sound of the seas, the soundtrack theme. Living and dreaming. Wasting time, Corona and lime. Sunsets behind. The backdrop of the perfect picture. Mother Nature kissed ya.
Barbra Streisand.
Yo, yellow, cheese, eggs, white, pancake back, put a little bit up on this skillet when it starts to bubble, flip it over with your spatula. Yeah, that shit look like my breakfast. I gotta remember to flip the motherfucker over after cooking it for 30 seconds. Ladies love me, I got my OJ. Everybody said to do another fast rap to this beat, so I said okay. But I'ma speed it up real fast till the whole damn bottle is gone. And I'm challenging Buster, Watsky, and Twister, and any of you rap kids, follow along, come on. Cook with me now, cook with me now, I'm making pancakes, cook with me now, cook with me now, fresher than a motherfucker. Chris Brown broke up with Rihanna, so he's looking for another silly idiotic hoe that he can beat up. I wish that he was man enough to get inside the octagon. I'm kicking him in the noggin like I'm Leo the Machida. Front kick to the face just by me throwing my feet up. Winking at Rihanna, baby, please show us your D-cups. I'm giving it to the man, the cake, so take it right to the pan. Your fate is imminent, I'm in the minute, you got the reefer smoke to re-up. It's done. That's done. That cake is done.
Hur känns det att lämna Baljan?
Tråkigt.
Varför då?
Vi ska dra från Baljan och dra från alla kompisar och Michael och Mardi och alla andra.
Men vart ska vi nu någonstans då?
Till Lombok.
Yes! Ja, hur ska vi åka till Lombok då?
Vet inte.
Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gap. Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gap. Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gap on your face. Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gap on your face. Squeeze your clip, hit the right one. Tap that wheel, got the light one. Squeeze your clip, hit the right one. Tap that wheel, got the light one. Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gap on your clip. Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gap on your clip. Squeeze your clip, hit the right one. Tap that wheel, got the light one. Squeeze your clip.
flip, hit the right one. Pass that weed, got the like one and dangerous. Ain't too many can bang with us. Straight up, we no angel dust. Label us notorious. Thug ass niggas that love the bus. It's strange to us. Y'all niggas be scrambling, gambling. I'm restaurants with mandolins and violins. We just sitting here trying to win, trying not to sin. High off weed and lots of gin. So much smoke, need oxygen. Steadily counting them Benjamins. Nigga, you should too. If you knew what this game would do to you. Been in this shit since 92. Look at all the bullshit I've been through. So-called beef with you know who. Fuck a few female stars or two. Then I'm blue like niggas blue like my shit. Not to be fucked with. Motherfucker better duck quick. Cause me and my dogs love the buck shit. Fuck the luck shit, strictly aim. No aspirations to quit the game. Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gat, call your...
Excuse me, girl. I know it's a bit embarrassing, but I just noticed some tan lines on your shirt.
See, I reckon you're about an 8 or a 9. Maybe even 9.5 in 4 beers time. That blue top sharp top you've got on is nice. Bit too much fake tan though, but yeah, you score high. But there's just one little thing that's really annoying me about you, you see. Yeah, like I said, you are really fit, but my gosh, don't you just know it?
I'm not trying to pull you, even though I would like to. I think you are really fit. You're fit, but my gosh, don't you know it?
So when I looked at you standing there with your horde, I was waiting in the queue looking at the board, wondering whether to have a burger or chips, or what the shrapnel in my back pocket could afford. When I noticed at the corner of my eye, looking toward my direction, your eyes locked on my course. I couldn't concentrate on what I wanted to order, which lost me my place in the queue I waited for. Yeah,
I'm not trying to pull you, even though I would like to. I think you are really fit. You're fit, but my gosh, don't you know it?
Whoa!
Leave it out.
Are you smoking crack or
Mike,
something?
just leave it, just leave it.
We cannot have that behaviour in this establishment.
It's not worth it, Mike. Just